If you are working a job and you're living paycheck to paycheck, or maybe you're unemployed and the jobs that you always had are paycheck to paycheck. They pay you every week, once every month, whatever it is. So it's a very small window of time you're receiving a check. Business owners, CEOs, the most wealthiest people in the world, they get paid for the results they get. Those results can pretty much yield any moment. When they get a new client, they're usually retained and they collect fees up front or accrued over time, repeat business, repeat orders, and they begin to get more money. And if you calculate it, you can just summarize their entire year within the minutes, the days of how much money they're making versus someone that's making money every single week, every single month, and so on and so forth. So if you're trying to escape out of this limited income bracket, but you want to stay in your profession, you're still giving yourself a very small parameter of, doing that. And so the chances of you getting into a higher income bracket increase when you begin to consider there are other ways to make money, essentially. If you're not considering that there are, guess what? You're not going to find them. They just magically appear in your lap, right? Everything in life, it has to do with your mind. If you want something, you're going to have to fathom the possibility of you getting out of the situation that you're in. It first comes with belief. It might sound really cliche or corny or something I can just copy and paste from the Bible or whatever, but yes, belief is very important scientifically and spiritually, but I don't want to delve into spirituality because it's not as practical as sitting down, and creating a clear, concise plan, and logically being aware of our own thoughts and minds and what we're actually doing. And it comes with that awareness that you will escape poverty. I did it. Okay, I'm not a multimillionaire. My net worth is in millions, yes. And that's a big deal to a lot of people, considering a lot of people don't have that assets like that. So the underlining thing that you have to do in order to make more money, you have to consider other ways to make more money, right? Give yourself longer periods of time to make money. Give yourself a year. If you look at what you make an hour and you're only focused on that, you're only going to think about what your check is going to be at the end of the month. If you're thinking like that, like what will my check be every single month? No, think about how much money you will make every single year, and then go to 3 years, then go to 5 years. How much money can you make within a 5-year period? Okay, give yourself a 5-year plan. Start giving yourself more time to achieve an even bigger goal, and it will open your mind to start doing bigger things. If you want to think bigger, just literally simplify it. Just think bigger. Think bigger. Think longer, more longer term. Okay? If you want to make more money, think bigger digits. That includes time. Don't just think about what you're going to make that hour, how much you're going to make an hour. Because here's the thing. If you're thinking that hour, like this guy makes more an hour, well, is he working as much as you or effective as you? Right? I don't get paid by hour. I don't look at my hourly rate. I look at how many clients can I get within 1 hour by creating a business and a service and a system and maintaining that system, right? My business has been pretty stable and it's gone up, and we don't even advertise. So here's the thing, that's more about my own experience. Every business has to advertise and market, otherwise you're just not going to scale. You will survive and you could thrive, but you're not going to be a mass iPhone or anything like that. But anyway, the point of this is to think bigger and stop thinking so small. And it first starts with belief. Okay, you have to consider the fact that there are other ways to make money and other ways of doing something. And until you consider those other options, you're going to be stuck in the same boat. So I actually have a program, and it's been around for, I guess, as long as I can remember, but I haven't marketed it, but people do ask about it. And basically it's an affiliate partnership with Pinnacle Credit Repair, a prestigious credit repair company. You can just Google fast credit repair, best credit repair, pretty much anything related to credit repair. Today, tomorrow, and here on after, you'll be seeing Pinnacle around. And we've been around in on the Google world. In the YouTube world, we're kind of new. I've been posting aggressively for the past 6 months. And in the 6 months, we're already doing pretty well. And I just letting you know, I'm taking YouTube very seriously. So, with that being said, there's an opportunity to make money with me. I don't just want to take take your money or other people's money. Why not? Let's make some money together. And so we are a really, really effective and fast credit repair solution for people that want to fix their credit. If you just take your hand, right, I'm sure you know at least 5 people that have bad credit. Out of those 5 people, maybe 2 of them can pay for either one of our programs, the Fast Track Elite, or to hire me directly. The challenge is you don't know how to repair credit, but you don't. All you have to do is be an affiliate. Well, people don't believe you. People don't trust you. Okay, well, they will trust Pinnacle. So what we're doing here is you guys know how McDonald's work? It's franchise owned, right? Well, you can do the same with Pinnacle, except you can have your own link and it will be completely identical to the Pinnacle website. They won't even know it's an affiliate link. And it doesn't really matter. The fact that you are an affiliate of a reputable company speaks volumes. So anyway, if you want your own affiliate link, go ahead and click the link in the description below and you could sign up. And what I also want to do is I understand people might not have a clear plan on how to market and strategize. And so if you really want to reap the benefits of, getting customers and making money with me, I can teach you how to sell this. I can teach you how to approach people in a way that's not, aggressive or at least annoying. You don't want to be nagging people to sign up. We don't want to create any sort of crazy culture like that. So there are ways, especially now with social media, you can simply cut and paste my videos. You can remix my videos. You could use authorized content. You can have your own Pinnacle affiliate link, and you have a social media profile. Some of you, this works really well with loan officers, real estate agents, financial advisors, that sell insurance, stuff like that. And now if you're not one of those people, it's okay. You still want to make money, right? Well, I will do what I can to support and roll out this program. And if anything, it will be a great way for you to understand more about Pinnacle. But this is not just for people that want information. This is for people that really want to take this business serious and make money. Now, if you're new, we can help you. If you're experienced and you're a real estate agent, a loan officer, a lawyer, lawyers hired me too. I'll make another video about that. You can take advantage of this opportunity and you can make lots of money. What's lots of money? $5,000 to $10,000 a month. Okay, it's not that difficult because we pay 25%. We pay the highest commissions in the industry, and we have some of the highest fees in the industry. But people like our service. We have a pretty good rating on Google across the board. We're pretty solid. We're not a perfect business, but any business that proclaims to be perfect, you got to watch out for that. Wolves in sheep's clothing. So anyway, the main thing is our product and service, it works. And that's very important for you because you want to be representing a top brand because it makes it so easier to sell. And you don't have to call people. I never called. I'll tell you a fact. Out of all the business that I've done in the past 10 years, the majority of those 10 years, like in the beginning we would call, but then I learned that calling was just not what I wanted to do. Right? Didn't want to cold call, didn't want to do that. So I got people to call me. So I can I can teach you how to make people call you and beg for your business. If you want to learn, click the link in the description below, fill out the form, and I'll see you on the other side.